Hi Scentsy friends, today we wanted to share with you some exciting new fragrances in our 2021 brochure and it's called Welcome Change.
Is that what the collection's called?
No, that is the brochure for 2021.
How do I get a brochure?
Autumn, winter. Oh, you can just message me. Ooh. I'm sure to send one out to you. And there is a new fragrance selection here in the brochure.
And is that what we're going to
And we're going to go through all 10 of our new fragrances. 10. And I have to tell you, Adam, I personally think this is the best new selection we've had in Australia and New Zealand in many, 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 many years.
What region's that, Jean?
Region 3 for Scentsy. But I am so excited about all of these fragrances. I think they're all really going to be so popular in our region.
So I just grab a random one?
Okay, if you like.
Okay, I'm going to grab Tangerine Creamsicle. What's a Creamsicle?
Oh gosh, that's a good question, Adam. Let me look it up because Creamsicle isn't
I don't know what that is.
A word that we would use in Australia and New Zealand.
I know what a tangerine is.
But
it's like a mandarin. Creamsicle.
I have found out through Mr. Google that a creamsicle
Mrs. Google.
is oh, let's be honest, it's a man. Anyway,
right.
It's a creamsicle is actually a vanilla ice cream with like a orange juice icy coating. So
like
it
the
is
slice.
Absolutely. And guess what, Adam?
What, Jean?
There's even a creamsicle day.
And what day was that on, Jean?
Guess what, Adam? It's on your birthday.
Guess what I'm going to have on my birthday?
The 14th of August is Creamsicle Day. Can you believe it? Apparently, Creamsicle is an actual original brand name, but for some reason, Scentsy, maybe they've paid to license it and use it, but this is called Tangerine Creamsicle. So what an exciting fragrance.
It's just like a common vernacular for that thing like you call Coke or...
Yeah, or cola or something.
Cola's Coke, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so back to the fragrance.
Well, it definitely smells like mandarins, which is like I think a tangerine.
Tangerine, yeah, very similar.
Yeah, citrusy and
so it says
vanilla-y.
Icy tangerine blended with mango and vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, I've got vanilla and citrus.
Yeah,
nice.
that is beautiful. I can't wait to smell it. Oh, that's so yummy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice and soft.
That really is fresh.
I think that would warm.
I really like that. Yeah, so do I. So that one is Tangerine Creamsicle. What a great fragrance.
Let's hit the next one. Sun-soaked Petals.
Sun-soaked Petals. So this one is
lemon land.
Daffodil flowers.
Oh, really?
Daffodil petals, sunny currant, and water mint.
Tell me that's not citrusy, lemony. Really?
Yeah, it does smell a little bit lemony, but you might be smelling like that mint. It's a mint mixed with it. Yeah. So I really like it.
No, it's nice. It's
Daffodils.
Nice. It's not as nice as tangerine.
Oh no.
Creamsicle.
Yeah, I would prefer
That's the winner currently.
But this is a very nice light floral. If you like the light floral range, then you'd really love that.
This is one. Mad for Melon. I can smell this one.
Wait to smell this.
Already, it's cracked open.
I was so excited. So this is a Honeydew Melon fragrance. We have not had a Honeydew Melon fragrance for so long.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. It's just...
Smells like Honeydew Melon.
So we rub the top of the wax bar so we can warm it up a little bit and get it smell.
It's Honeydew Melon with some freesia and wild poppy.
See, smell that.
It's not smell-o-vision, Adam.
Imagine if it was.
So Mad for Melon. We haven't had Honeydew Melon for so long.
I like
it is very nice.
Hawaiian Hula. Hula's that way, isn't it?
Around.
I like a hula hoop.
Yeah. Hawaiian Hula. So.
Okay, don't tell me. Hang on. Let me warm it up. Whoa, it's definitely got mint in it.
I can't wait to smell this.
Is it minty? No? Man, I'm off today.
Yeah. It's orange, pineapple, and passion fruit.
Getting nothing.
But I agree, yeah, that's not as strong as I would have liked. But maybe we should smell the bottom of the bar. Hawaiian Hula. I really like all of those things. I reckon this would really come up a treat when you warm it.
I think so.
Beautiful. Okay. Oh, Hawaiian Hula. Great tropical fragrance.
Coral Waters. I knew a girl named Coral. Went to school with a girl called Coral, yeah.
This one is Nectarine Blossom, Peony Bloom alongside Bright Coral Waters.
What's peony?
Peony's like a flower.
Is that like that thing you get high on?
don't know what you're
But
talking about.
that's peyote cactus.
This is more...
I like it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely like sea, water, ocean smell.
It's nice.
Yeah, I do like it. It's
halfway too.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting... It's weird. It's a combination of like a floral with an ocean smell. It's unusual. Yeah.
I reckon this one would also...
Warm really nicely.
nicely.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to warm that one?
Yes, we can warm that one.
Good.
Coral waters, really unusual combination of fragrances.
Oh, you can like this one. Green tea and jasmine.
Ah, well, that one's pretty straightforward. This one obviously
Whoa.
has jasmine
A lot of
and
jasmine.
green tea, but it also has some sweet pea.
Jasmine is like really dominant, but that's because we know it so well, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, but I am getting the sweet pea there too. The sweet pea's nice. That's cool. Green tea and jasmine. That's cool. I like it.
Coastal sunset.
Ooh.
Let me smell first. Oh, there's the... Oh, maybe that beach woody sort of salty.
Yeah, that's right. So a sandalwood.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yep, and a creamy coconut and amethyst amber.
Definitely that timber smell. That beachy timber smell.
Oh,
They
gosh,
capture that
that's
well.
unusual.
They got that well. That's a good one.
Gosh, that's really very unusual combination.
Since you live not so far from the beach, we can pretend we're at the beach.
Oh, wow, that's really unusual. Yeah, I love coconut fragrances, but this is a really unusual twist on it. Oh, wow.
Well, sometimes they have some really
That's
crazy
really
names.
nice.
Oh, snapdragon. Oh, snapdragon.
Cool.
What is a snapdragon? I don't even know what that is.
Snapdragon's the flower. The snapdragon flower.
No.
You push this
Just
little...
because you say the word again.
It's a little flower. Didn't you do that as a kid? Push the little snapdragon flower and push its little mouth open. Anyway, okay. So we're going to have to Google that later. So blood orange with sparkling pink pineapple punctuated with fierce snapdragon.
Yeah, it's nice.
You get it?
It's all very subtle. I don't get any.
Yeah, it
dominant
is
scent
subtle.
there.
Yeah.
Like, it's nice.
Yeah, I think definitely the snapdragon fragrance.
I'm stuck on what a snapdragon is.
Don't worry,
I
I'll
just don't
show
know
him
what it is.
later. It's
Don't know what it
fine.
is.
It's fine. It's such a cute flower. I love snapdragons.
Make a splash.
Make a splash. Oh, I'm gonna
Oh, I
guess.
like this straight away.
Oh, this is a Dewy Melon, fresh apple. Diving into fresh turquoise
That is really
waters.
nice. That is a really nice smell. I like that. That might be my lead favourite.
Oh, yeah, that is nice. Oh, yeah, I agree. I think this is actually possibly more melony than the melon one.
I forgot about the melon one already.
Yeah.
Vanilla
Make
waves.
a splash. This is definitely, I think that's possibly my
We'll
favorite
leave it there.
one
Let's
too.
leave it up top. So
Yeah,
and this
I
one is
really
called,
like that.
last but not least, Vanilla Waves.
Ooh,
So obviously this is
I
going to be,
do love vanilla.
this is going to be foodie, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is what was it? Creme?
Salted caramel.
No, the coffee one. Like the mocha. That's a mocha coffee one.
Oh,
I think they might have just pulled a Swifty there and then just
oh
relabeled
gosh, that's really nice.
it. Isn't it? Don't you think that's the coffee,
This
vanilla
is
coffee?
definitely
Smells like a vanilla
my
coffee.
second favorite. It does. It smells like a vanilla coffee.
Smells like a vanilla
Oh,
latte.
it's really nice. But there's no coffee fragrance in it. It's a sea salt with whipped vanilla and with sticky caramel.
Ah, there's the caramel. Okay.
Yeah, the caramels.
Man,
Gosh,
that's-
it's a really nice fragrance, isn't it? And I'm not really into the foodie
Food,
smells
yeah.
that much. But if you're loving those food fragrances, definitely Vanilla Waves is going to be your jam.
Top three?
That is really nice.
Top three.
I think that's definitely in my top three.
Mad for melon.
Yeah, I really do
Or
like that. But I
Hawaiian Hula.
like the
Yeah, that's
Make a
those two.
Splash even better than that. I don't know. I really like the Tangerine Creamsicle.
I'm gonna put my top three. I'm gonna put Hawaiian Hula because when I come back to it now,
Yeah.
like I really like
Having
the
a
smell.
second whiff.
Yeah,
Oh, I really like, what about Coastal Sunset? I just want to remind myself.
that's my top three.
Oh, this is nice.
You
No,
should buy
I
this.
really like Coastal Sunset. Oh,
We don't have to agree.
yeah. I really like Coastal Sunset, Vanilla Waves, Make a Splash.
That's
and
a top
Tangerine.
four.
Okay.
Got to be three.
I think Make a Splash is like my definite number one Vanilla Waves is number 2, Coastal Sunset number 3, and then Tangerine Creamsicle.
I'm going Make a Splash, Hawaiian Hula, Vanilla Waves. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I hope you really loved the review, and do check out all of these available now on my website.
Don't forget to subscribe
and like
and notification.
and hit the notification bell. See you later.